Kia ora, everyone. So today I want to share something simple, powerful, connection. Picture this. An elderly woman in a wheelchair needs help carrying her groceries home. Just around the corner, there's a young man keen to help, but they never meet. Why? Because there's no easy way for them to find each other, like an invisible wall between them. That's the wall I want to break, the wall of disability isolation. In New Zealand, 1 in 4 people live with a disability. Many face everyday challenges like shopping, cleaning, or just getting a hot meal. At the same time, we've got more and more people willing to help, but they don't know where to start. So how do we break that wall? I created a digital solution called Let's Connect, a mobile app that brings disabled people and nearby volunteers together in real time. Here's how it works. Users sign up either as a requester or a volunteer. The app has a blue version for requesters and a yellow version for volunteers. The requesters choose the help they need, for example, shopping. The app then uses location data to alert volunteers nearby. If someone accepts, a connection is made. After the help is done, the requester gives feedback and the volunteer earns points. The whole process takes just less than 3 minutes. It's simple, fast, and community-powered. Now, what makes this app different from other services? First, it's dual user. This is New Zealand's first platform that directly connects disabled people and nearby volunteers in the same ecosystem. Second, proximity-based. Requests are matched with the nearest available helpers, meaning faster response and less waiting. Third, it enables a 3-minute smart link, real-time connection with mutual consent, aiming to get support in under 3 minutes. And finally, we've already got a launch plan. In phase 1, we'll run a 3-month pilot in Hamilton. If it goes well, we'll move to phase 2, a national rollout across New Zealand. In short, Let's Connect makes asking for help easier and offering help faster. Together, we can break the wall of disability isolation. Thank you.